Hey loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's menu we are making this very delicious beef stew, and it pairs great with spaghetti or pasta. It's my absolute favorite sauce and it's also perfect with any dish at all. So without talking much, let's get cooking. So first I'm going to make some ginger marinade. So I'm going to add some onions and garlic to a blender. I'm adding ginger as well and then anise seed. I'm going in with a little water and I'm going to blend that till it is smooth. So for my next step, I'm just going to go ahead to make my pepper mix for the stew base. So to my blend, I added some onions, tomatoes, garlic, ginger, red scotch bonnet, 2 bay leaves and anise seed. I'm adding water to that and I'll blend till that is also smooth. So now to the actual cooking process. So in my cooking pan, I'm adding my thinly sliced beef and then I'm going in with the ginger marinade. I'm going to add some beef seasoning to that and I'm going to stir till it is nicely combined. The beef seasoning already has salt and then MSG, so there's no need adding anything of that sort. So I cooked my beef on medium heat till it was nice and tender. So a quick test over here. Yes, very good, very tender. Now it's going to be a 1-pot dish, so I'm just going to go ahead to add some oil to the beef and then leave that to fry for some time, and then I'm adding some tomato paste to that. I'll give that a quick stir and then cook for roughly 3 minutes before going in with my blended pepper mix. So as much as I showed you the ingredients that went into the making of the pepper mix, I'll leave a detailed list and measurements of all the ingredients used in my description box, so kindly check it out. So I'll let that cook for 5 to 7 minutes and then I'm going to go right ahead to season it with some salt and stock cube. I'm going in with a teaspoon of curry powder as well, very important. So give that a good mix and then leave that to cook for an additional 5 or 7 minutes. So next I'm going in with some sliced onions, sliced tomatoes and green pepper. I'm sure you're wondering why I added these last, because I like to feel the texture of every vegetable, and trust me, it really makes the difference. Okay, so then I'm just going to mix till it's well combined and then leave that to cook for 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes again. And yeah, that should be it. That's about it. Our stew is cooked because we don't want our vegetables to be overcooked as well. I mean, look at how delicious this looks. Won't you want to try it? You definitely should give it a try. So I went right ahead to serve it with some pasta, or let's say spaghetti over here. So this is me dishing my spaghetti and me going in with my delicious tomatoes beef sauce. But you can definitely pair it with any dish at all, yam, rice, and you still absolutely love it. So we've come to the end of this video. If you found this helpful or useful, kindly like and subscribe for more delicious recipes from me. Thank you very much for watching and bye.